Hi, everybody. I hope you all had a great Easter. I'm going to pick up where we left off a little bit. So, chapter 12 is forces and motion. Section 1 is forces. We're still on this. We did friction last time, and then we kind of stopped at terminal velocity. I told you what that is, but I'm sure you don't remember. Terminal velocity is the constant velocity. Constant velocity means that it increases 1 second. So, like after 1 second, it increases from 9.8 meters per second to 19.6 meters per second squared. It just keeps increasing at a constant rate. Okay, but this is when a falling object, terminal velocity is when it's under constant velocity. So it's a free falling object. It's when the force of gravity and the force of air resistance equals each other. So the force of gravity is pushing down on the object. Force of air resistance is pushing up on it, and it's when it equals out, that's terminal velocity. There's a picture of it in your book. The projectile motion is the next one. Projectile motion is when you throw a ball through the air and it follows a curved path. That curved path is an example of projectile motion. It's the motion of a falling object after it has been given a forward initial velocity. So when I throw it, if it's a long way, like let's say you're out in an empty field and you're throwing a ball, okay? If I throw it, it's going to be like, if I throw it straight, like from me, it's going to be a little straight for a while and then it's going to start following a curved path. It's not going to go straight out and then straight down, okay? It's going to be a curved path. That's because of the initial forward velocity and gravity, okay? Air resistance and gravity are the only forces acting on a projectile, okay? Air resistance and gravity are the only forces acting on a projectile. There's a picture in your book that's going to show you this, okay? The combination of an initial forward velocity and the downward vertical force of gravity causes the ball to follow a curved path. So this is on page 362. It's on figure 9. This is going to show you that curved path, okay? So we are actually done for section 1, okay? And I'm going to have some more questions in just a second. And then tomorrow, Wednesday, we'll start on section 2. Okay.